Okay, the next one I'm going to do is a song called Black is the Colour, which some of you might know that Christy Moore would have sung in this time, so just get myself set up here. Black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like a rose so fair. She's got the sweetest eyes and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. I love my love, and well she knows that I love the ground whereon she goes, and I wish the day soon would come when she and I can be as one. For black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like a rose so fair. She's got the sweetest eyes and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. I go to the light, I mourn and weep, for satisfied I never can be. Then I write her letters, just a few short lines, and suffer death 10,000 times. For black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like a rose so fair, and I wish the day soon would come when she and I can be as one. For black is the colour of my true love's hair. Her lips are like a rose so fair. She's got the sweetest eyes and the gentlest hands, and I love the ground whereon she stands. For black is the colour of my true love's hair.
Thank you very much. That was tremendous singing. I really enjoyed that. Sometimes, you hear folk songs been sung and you don't appreciate them, but certainly that first bit was tremendous. And tell us, how did you get started in the singing and one thing and another?
Well, I've always sung as long as I remember. I sang in children's choir at church, and then I'm a graduate of the Rainey School in Maghera, and 7 very pleasant years there in the school choir. So I always loved my singing, and it wasn't until I sort of started university and was kicking about around Coleraine and people there playing guitars and singing in bars and whatnot that I decided I wanted to take up the guitar so I'd have something to sing along with. So that was how I kind of started out in the guitars, singing and songwriting really.
Yeah. Did you teach yourself the guitar, or did you take lessons or what?
No, I just sort of taught myself. I had a bit of musical background from the singing and piano lessons when I was little, so I could read music and I could pick up a tune okay, so it was just a bit of practicing really makes perfect. So
Yeah. Are you looking forward to taking part in the concert or the marquee out here?
Oh yeah, it sounds like it's going to be a good lot of fun. So more people that get to come along, and the better. It'll be a bit of crack for everybody.
Oh yeah, yes. We're trying to get a lot of young people involved here in the station here, and we do thank you for coming along.